Hello everybody. So this is a little harder than what we were just doing, but you still start by moving everything to the same side. So like subtract everything over, add everything over, okay? So you got x squared, there's minus 2x, there's minus 35 equals 0. Now, you want to factor this thing. The leading coefficient is 1, so you're asking what multiplies to negative 35 but adds to negative 2. So let's just look at those. 7 times 5 is 35, and they're 2 units apart. They multiply to negative, so one has to be positive, one has to be negative. And they add to negative 2, so it's got to be this. So x minus 7, x plus 5. Okay? So now you're just going to set these equal to 0. So add 7 to both sides, subtract 5 from both sides. And you get x is equal to 7 and negative 5. Those are your two answers. Okay? Going on to this one. So what's going to make it harder is the leading coefficient isn't 1. But you still start by subtracting the 2x from both sides, adding the 7 to both sides. So you get 5x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then you're going to factor it. Force the front to happen. Force the back to happen. Now, I don't know, is it 1, 3 or 3, 1? I don't know. You just have to try it. They're multiplying to negative. One is positive, one is negative. You just have to try it. Now check the O and the I. Outside, inside. Gives you negative 14x. That isn't what I got, so try switching the numbers. 3, 1. Outside, minus 5x. Inside, 3x. Negative 2x. There it is. Now, it's still something times something equals 0. It's still a product that equals 0. So you're still going to take the pieces and set them equal to 0. But this is a little bit harder than, say, the bottom one. The bottom one, I'm just going to add 1 to both sides because x is equal to 1. This I have to subtract the 3 and then divide by 5. So I get fractional answers now. So one answer is 1, the other one's negative 3/5. Okay? Add 4x to both sides. Subtract the 1, subtract the 1. Those cancel out. So you get 4x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. And you should recognize the left side. That's a difference of square pattern. The difference of squares. So 2x, 2x, 1, 1, 1's a plus, 1's a minus. Now set those things equal to 0. Subtract the 1, add the 1. 2x equals negative 1. 2x is equal to 1. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is equal to negative 1/2. X is equal to positive 1/2. There's your two answers. Subtract the 9, subtract the 9. Minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. The back is going to be easy, 1 and 3. The front, it's either 1 and 4, 4 and 1, or 2 and 2. Let's go 2 and 2. They're multiplying to positive, adding to negative, so they're both negative. Outside, inside, minus 8x. There it is. So now you set these equal to 0. Add the 1, divide by 2. Add the 3, divide by 2. Okay, subtract the 6x from both sides. 6x squared minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the end is pretty easy. They're both 1s. The front could be 1 and 6 or 2 and 3. My gut's leaning here, looking at the 5, but maybe I'm wrong. Let's just try the 2 and the 3, okay? So 2x, 3x, they're multiplying to positive, adding to negative. And I think my gut's wrong. I think this might be it. Check the outside, minus 2x. Check the inside, minus 3x. There it is. Oops, minus 5x. There it is. So now you set both of these equal to 0. Add the 1, add the 1. 2x is equal to 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to a half. Add the 1, add the 1. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to 1/3. There we go. Thank you guys for your time. Have yourself a great one.